Dear students, in previous class we discussed about simple, complex and compound sentence. We discussed about clauses, especially we discussed about connectors, clauses and phrases. Today I would like to discuss about function of noun clauses. Functions of noun clauses. Functions of noun clauses. We can identify a noun clause by its function. What are the functions of a noun clause? There are 5 functions of a noun clause. Number 1, subject. Why she went there is a mystery. Why she went there? It's a noun clause as it functions as a subject. Number 2, object. Noun clause acts as an object. He said that he was ill. That he was ill acts like an object, so it is called noun clause. Number 3, object of preposition. If a noun clause sits after a preposition, it is considered as object of preposition. Our future depends on how we work. On is a preposition. How we work sits after preposition, hence it is called the object of preposition. If a clause acts as an object of preposition, it must be considered as noun clause. Number 4, complement. Complement. It is what I expected. What I expected is the complement of subject it, hence it's a noun clause. At last, function of noun clause as appositive or case in apposition. Appositive or case in apposition. Apposition. The rumor that he is a saint is false. That he is a saint is an appositive. Here headword rumor and appositive that he is a saint. There are 5 functions of a noun clause. Noun clause acts as subject, acts as object. Number 3, it acts as object of preposition. Number 4, it acts as complement. Number 5, it acts as appositive or case in apposition. These are the functions of noun clause. Now I shall discuss about adjective clause. What is adjective clause? Adjective clause. What is adjective clause? Adjective clause, the clause which modifies a noun or a pronoun. The clause which modifies a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective clause. Adjective clause. Example: I know the man who has done the work. Who has done the work. Here this clause modifies a noun man. As the clause modifies noun man, this clause is called adjective clause, because adjective clause modifies a noun or a pronoun. There is another example. I know who has done the work. Who has done the work. Here, who has done the work is not an adjective clause, though the clause who has done the work and next clause who has done the work are composed of same words. These two clauses are not the same, because example A, who has done the work, modifies a noun, so it is called adjective clause. And in example 2, who has done the work, this clause doesn't modify any word. It is used as object of transitive verb know. As it is used as the object of verb, it is called noun clause. Here in example 2, the clause is a noun clause. Noun clause used as object of verb know. No. An example A, who has done the work, this clause is an adjective clause. It is JCTIV. Adjective clause modifying noun man. As this clause is the modifier of a noun, this clause of example 1 is called adjective clause, and the clause used in example 2, who has done the work, Though this clause consists of the same words, this clause is not adjective clause. This clause is a noun clause. Hence, it is used as the object of verb, transitive verb know. Dear students, we discussed about noun clause and adjective clauses. In next class, I would like to discuss about adverbial clauses and another clauses. Thank you. Thank you all.